Okay, lesson 66, algebra 1/2. Ratio, it means comparison by division. So when we see a ratio, it's written as a fraction. The fraction sign can mean division. So in the question, you just have to translate, okay? You just have to translate this. It says the ratio of the number of parrots to the number of macaws. So ratio parrots to macaws was, which is the past tense of equal, 5 to 7. Parrots is to macaws is 5 to 7. Then they tell you ask how many macaws when the parrots were 750. So instead of P, we write 750. So now we can solve because I only have one unknown. I can't solve when there are two unknowns. So I cross multiply. See my cross? I put these two together, 750 times 7, and m and 5 together. Usually we write the number first, 5 times m. Now you could multiply this out and then divide by 5, but I think it's better to divide both sides by 5 first. So when you divide this side by 5, the 5's cancel out, you're left with m, and you have 750 times 7 over 5. Once again, you could use your calculator and do this, or you could cancel, do it mentally. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 750 times 150. And now 150 times 7 is 1,050. That's how many macaws there are. And then the second example, it tells you the ratio of the number of wrigglers to the number of squirmers was 13 to 2. Wrigglers to squirmers, that's the ratio, was, past tense of is, 13 to 2. Okay, now they tell you there were 26 wrigglers. So I put 26. Make sure your S for squirmers looks like an S and not a 5. Now we have just one unknown, so we can cross multiply. 26 times 2 equals 13 times S. That's an S. Now you could simplify, or at this point you could just divide both sides by 13, which gets the S all by itself. And 13 goes into 13 once, goes into 26. 2 times 2 is 4. The number of squirmers is 4. Okay, you also could have multiplied 52 and then divide both sides by 13. Kind of an easy lesson. Bye.